I know y'all ready to get into this haul. I'm trying to get this skincare done so we can get into this haul and this unboxing. I already went in and cleansed my face with the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. Honestly, this is my favorite cleanser. Gives me a gentle cleanse, but it also deep cleanses everything at the same time. My favorite thing about this cleanser is the foaming properties. Like, honestly, it foams up so nicely when you're washing your face and it has that good lather. That's like my favorite thing. Well, for my wind down tonight, because y'all is winding down with me, I'm going in with my Tier Milk Skin Toner. So first of all, let's get into the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see because my lights are so bright, but the packaging really the packaging for this is so pretty. Toner itself, it says it's a refreshing skin toner. It really does feel refreshing after washing my face. I really like the consistency of this toner. I have the Anua toner as well. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. I need to try them both out a little bit more though. I know y'all ready to get into this haul. I'm trying to get this skincare done so we can get into this haul and this unboxing. Y'all went shopping for the Sephora spring sale. Let me know what you guys got. Drop it down in the comments because I know people are saying, oh, 20% isn't a lot, and it's really not a lot, but I mean, come on, if you need something, then just go get it. It's okay. Like, you're okay. For my serum, I'm going in with the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence from Coast RX. Y'all can see mama is running low on this. Okay. These two right here are top tier together. Make my skin glow. I know y'all see that glow. I know you see the glow. I'm looking at myself in the camera. I see the glow. You can't say it ain't. For my moisturizer tonight, I'm going in with the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. As you guys know, I got the travel size version of this and I finished that and I had to just go grab. Actually, no, I didn't finish it. I had like a tiny bit left and I was like, I need some more of this. So I went ahead and bought the full size, like La Roche-Posay. Thank you for holding it down. I'm pretty sure I'm always going to be using your products for my moisturizer and my cleanser, especially. Like, hello, like, thank you. I have myself my stacked water here. Let me know in the comments if you want the recipe to my stacked water. Love it. All right, let me put my moisturizer on. So the skincare is done. Thank you guys for winding down with me. Before I put my scarf on and hop into bed, let's go ahead and just do our Sephora spring sale haul and unbox my sample that I got from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is what was in my sample box. So I got the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. Thank you, e.l.f. for the free sample. I've been hearing great things about this Holy Hydration Face Cream. I can't wait to add this into my skincare routine. If you guys have used this product, let me know in the comments. I really want to know, like, what's tea? I want to know what's tea with this product. So I'm going to read the card that they sent. It says, Holy Hydration Face Cream. This cream's an elfing dream. Lightweight daily moisturizer. Niacinamide minimizes the appearance of pores and helps even skin tone. Hyaluronic acid hydrates non-greasy, super soft feel. I think I'm going to start using this product and see exactly what it's going to do. If y'all want to see me do a little testing of this, just put a little black heart. Put a blue heart in the comments. On to the Sephora sale items. Okay, let's just look at the receipt here. The total was $99. I had a gift card from my bestie. She got me a Sephora gift card. She also gave me her 20% off. Total actually was like $99. With the 20% off, it brought it down to $74. With the $50 off, it brought it down to $24. Okay, so starting off strong. Y'all know I had to go ahead and restock this item. So it is obviously the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder for face and eyes. Like, duh, of course I got this. What are you talking about? Like, I had shade 9 and I got 9.5. Got 9.5 because summer's coming up and I feel like last summer the shade 9 was a little bit too light for me. So we're gonna do 9.5. Cannot wait to use this product. Okay, So let's talk about it. We're going to talk about it. I have been seeing LYS Beauty all over my For You page. I follow them on Instagram. I follow them on TikTok. I am subscribed to them on YouTube. Like, I love everything about the brand. It's Black owned and her name is escaping me, but I am so ecstatic and so excited to try the concealers. This is the Bright Start Creamy Buildable Coverage Airbrush Concealer. I got the shade DPG1, which is Mocha. First of all, packaging. Everybody knows I'm a packaging girly. Girl, if you don't know I'm a packaging girly, go ahead and watch my YouTube videos. Like, I love packaging. I like that this is a triangle. I love everything, like her mission statement and about her brand. Like, oh my God, so empowering. Like, Edam. Yes, I bought this because let me tell you something. I have been influenced. And I do love the fact that this company is also Black owned. So that's that's a plus for me. And I got the shade Bissap Glaze. It says it's a lip softening lip balm, y'all. I'm really excited to try the applicator. I hear the applicator is actually like phenomenal. Packaging. I want to actually put this on right now. So I'm actually going to put it on right now. Actually, we're going to be trying this together. So are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. All right, so this applicator is actually giving me life right now. I don't know about you guys. This is why I've been influenced. I'm about to put it on my lips. Let's. The applicator, no, it like gives me like this cold sensation on my, oh, and this one smells really good. Give me 15 of them right now. Yes, eat them. I understand now. I understand the hype. I get it. I'm gonna have to go back and get about 7 more of these. So I actually really love these. I love the packaging, and this is gonna fit perfectly in my bag. First of all, this is a lip balm. Okay, this is a lip softening lip balm. Does anybody see? It looks like I have lip gloss on, Edam. If y'all haven't gone to get this yet at Sephora, go get it. And it's already on sale. Like, come on. You have not gone to Sephora yet, to go grab you some stuff from Sephora. Let me go ahead and let y'all know right now. Go ahead and grab LYS Beauty. Go ahead and grab Raquel Amaris and grab you a little lip balm from Edam. Why not? Treat yourself. And they're all Black owned. Hello? Thank you. Hello? Why would you not? If you made it to the end of this video, shout out to you. You already know the vibes. Today was a little bit more chill. We wasn't doing no makeup. I had to do this little sample unboxing and a little haul for y'all. And then I also had to just wind down with y'all, okay? Let me know what y'all wind down routine is in the comments. I would like to know. Do you journal? Do you listen to gospel music? Do you watch TV? Do you do your skincare and do something else? I don't know. Let me know. I would love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, because next week, y'all, Thursday, my birthday vlog is dropping. So excited. My birthday is coming up. Just get ready for the birthday vlog. Okay? The birthday vlog is coming. We're becoming together. I'm going to see you in the next video.